Good evening, everyone. This is Vegas. It's been a while since I've done videos, but I will get right back into them. Had some life changes for the better. And so things are just looking up and up and amazing. And so look forward to talking to you guys more regularly. I know it's been a while, but I missed you guys, and I know you guys missed me. So welcome back. Vegas is back. So wanted to just mention, I want to talk to you guys about NIO. I want to try to keep my video content like under 10 minutes because I think if you go too long, it gets kind of boring. So I want to keep this to the point. So let's talk about NIO because there's been a lot of electrifying updates with the NIO's turbocharged momentum. There's earnings buzz coming, and obviously it's a Chinese premium electric vehicle powerhouse. They are revving their engines with a string of record-breaking achievements and very bold expansions. We have their earnings call tomorrow morning, pre-market. I think it's around 8 o'clock in the morning. And we are going to get an engaging rundown of the latest headlines on NIO cars. And I want you to think about NIO not just as an electric vehicle maker, but as a multi-brand juggernaut, premium, an Envo family, and they also have the Firefly compact vehicle. And this company is challenging Tesla in China's cutthroat market, really eyeing a lot of global domination. And I mean, they just had some shattering results. They crushed the August numbers. They shipped out a whopping 31,305 vehicles, a 55.2% year-over-year surge, nearly 49% jump from July. I mean, that is just insane. And then they had the premium brand came down a little bit due to some cannibalization from sub-brands, but still very solid for their high-end model. The Envo, which is a family-focused vehicle, I'm going to show you this one here. Here's the SUV right here. This is the family vehicle. And this one here is they sold a stellar 16,434 of these, up 175% month over month. And this is the Hot L90. This is a fabulous SUV if you like SUVs. And so what I want to mention is this is not just numbers. This is a testament to NIO's pivot towards a mass market appeal. The Envo L90, which you can see here, is a very sleek SUV mid-sized one. It's kind of competing with Tesla's Model Y. And this particular model has exceeded over 10,000 deliveries in its first full month. The orders for August spiked 30%, many of them spilling into September, and it's kind of priced competitively with aggressive cuts. It's capturing families and first-time EV buyers wanting to buy this. And then they have the Firefly, which I want to show you that one next. Let's just go to this one here. Okay, so this is the Firefly. And so this one here, it's a smaller vehicle. Think of it like a little cute, affordable miniature car. It's kind of like got a lot of tech packed into this little thing. And it's really turning heads with younger demographics. And also, NIO's battery swapping technology remains a game changer because they're offering ultra fast refuels that outpace traditional charging. And they're expanding swap network, which is now part of other alliances with other brands, is kind of fueling the ecosystem growth. They also had the ES8 flagship, if I can go back here to the models, to NIO's, all their models. So here's the ES8. This is their flagship. Let me show you this one here on the ES8. Here we go, a little bigger picture. This one here debuted late August, which was not that long ago. Today's only September 1st, with full launch in late September this month, and expecting deliveries to kick off immediately. And so this is a beast that promises premium luxury, advanced autonomous driving technology, and the Shenji chipset Smart for seamless performance. And the other thing is NIO has a lot of global ambitions. They are pushing into Europe and beyond with battery swap partnerships and tech licensing on the rise. A lot of analysts highlight this as a path to recurring revenue from energy services and software subscriptions. And while overall growth is electric, the core NIO brand dipped 48% in August amidst price wars and internal competition, but still restructuring efforts like factory expansions are boosting. And the CEO, William Lee, has reaffirmed Q4 break-even goals, really crediting the L90 as the key driver. And I showed you that car earlier. So I wanted to show you here also, what NIO is doing here with their power, with the battery swaps. So here's their NIO power here, their service solutions. They can obviously for your home. And I think this is like a really cool, I love their website, very engaging. Power 4.0. So you can go through their website on NIO.com and check it out. They also have, as I mentioned, earnings is tomorrow. And so we're going to see blue sky coming. No, what do they mean by that? They're probably joking, but that's probably like a quote from their statement about blue sky coming, that they feel that their sky's the limit, right, with their growth. So Morgan Stanley gives the company an upgrade. They said it was around $6.50, but we've already exceeded that. And Deutsche Bank gives it a $9.50 confidence. So I want you to pay attention to the earnings call if you are in NIO or invested in NIO. Very important to pay attention to some of these common themes that are going to be talked about. So tomorrow's report is actually very pivotal. NIO is aiming to improve, and they're scaling back in their China EV price battles. So loss per share is looking around 31 cents. Revenue is up about 15% year over year, and deliveries are looking to be up 25.6%. And guidance is going to be the bottom line. And all eyes are going to be on this Q3, Q4 outlook. And will they double the 2024 deliveries, targeting 500,000 plus cars annually? And will they hit the Q4 profitability? August momentum suggests yes. And we'll have to hear the details on the ES8 ramp up and the Envo and the Firefly expansion. I've showed you all these models tonight. I want to hear also about price competition and if there's a slowing demand with which could pressure profits. I want to hear some global updates like Europe push or swap alliances, and that could spark some upside surprises. And we also want to hear if NIO beats revenue and margins and guides really strong. We could see a rally on the stock breaking $7. This can go to 9 and 10. So if it doesn't give anything positive that the market, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what the market thinks. So if they do miss, this will trigger a pullback. But long term, I really see a profitability, an inflection point. I think what I want to just conclude with tonight is NIO's not just building cars. They're crafting a joyful, sustainable ecosystem with innovation at its core. With record deliveries, lighting the path, and earnings poised to deliver clarity, this could be the quarter that shifts NIO from an EV contender to a market leader. So tune in for the call for the full throttle. Blue skies ahead. Let's see what they do. If they say it like on their website. Have a good evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for earnings tomorrow morning. Talk soon. Ciao for now.